They don't have liquor on Sundays. You know?
I don't wanna go. I go. Okay. The boys are cheating, y'all. Flows ping.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah. I'm back with another video. So today, you guys, it's just, you know, one of them days or whatever case may be. As y'all can see, look, I done already hit up my lash tech. Shout out to Allie. Shout out to Beauty Mark. She did my lashes and she did an amazing job, y'all. My lashes have been hanging on for about a little over 4 weeks now, y'all. I done been to DR. I done been to the beach. I done been to the pool. I done got my lashes wet and everything, like, and they still hanging on.
Because this booty going crazy.
Ooh. He just had to come in here and say something. He just had to come. As you guys can see, this side is fuller than this side. But it's still, I told my girl, I was like, look, Allie, this is the first time I ever put lashes over my lashes. But as I finished my makeup, I was like, girl, I'm not putting no lashes over my lashes. I ain't finna do nothing. I ain't finna do you like that, girl, because you did your big one. And I ain't finna do you like that. So I just left it like this, girl. So if you look at me and you think I'm cockeyed or whatever the case may be, oh well, because guess what, my girl did her thing on my lashes, and that's just that on that. That's it, that's all. And yeah, make sure y'all book with her. I'm gonna leave her in the description below. But with that being said, today is my girl Lex's birthday. Well, it's actually tomorrow, Monday, which is Labor Day. And you know, my girl came through and she showed out on my birthday, so it's only right that I give her the same energy in return. When it's crazy because like Lex was actually the first person that I saw when I walked through the door for my surprise birthday, and I was even shocked to see her here. Like, as soon as I walked through the door, she was like, ah, happy birthday, bitch! Happy birthday, fucker! I was like, oh my God. She was like the only person I saw for like 5 minutes. I'm like, who else is here? So I started walking through the house or whatever. But I ain't gonna lie, my dog lit. Shout out to Lex. Make sure y'all subscribe to her channel, Lex I Am. She is lit. She's doing her thing right now. And it's her birthday. Shout out to all the Virgos out there. But so she invited me to her birthday or whatever. They having like a little game night or whatever. So I gotta go show love to my girl. It's only right. Like, I feel like as YouTubers, you know, we are in a very tight circle. You feel what I'm saying? And we don't know a lot of people out here. A lot of us are not from here. I think Lex is actually from here. But still, even being a YouTuber, it's like some of the outside people just don't understand our lifestyle and like how we do things and just like our schedules, because we're always so busy. We're always on go. And one thing about us, I feel like we always have to stick together because we're a team. You feel me? At the end of the day, no matter what, even though we all have different contents, we all have different niches, we all have different, you know, different things that we do on our channels or whatever. But at the end of the day, we're all still a family. And that's one thing I love about Lex, because she always, ever since I met her, like, she always shows support. She was always so genuine to me. Never had an issue with her. She just like a little sis, you know what I'm saying? Like, but anyway, I just wanted to say that, you know, because I always, like, when I meet somebody and I feel that energy, I always just have to reciprocate that energy. Like, I'm never like one of them bitches that's like, oh, fuck her, I don't like her, da, da, da. But if I do feel a way, I'm going to just say this, because I'm always a real one. If I do feel a way about anybody, I'm going to stand on what I say, because I, you know, I do have things that, you know, some YouTubers that I've been around, I'm like, that's not my vibe. And that's okay. Sometimes everybody's not going to be your vibe. But at the end of the day, I still could put myself in a room with that person and still have respect for them, still speak to them, and still turn up at the end of the day. And so, you know, everybody got their own little separate thing that they got going on or whatever. But I feel like you could put me in a room with anybody and I get along with anybody regardless. If you got other friends that you hang out with, I'm going to always respect that. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I still feel like, girl, I'm the new girl. I'm new here, girl. Like, even though I still, when I step, I bring the princess energy. You know what I'm saying? I'm always on, you know, good energy. So I always just try to make sure, like, you know, I come through, period, for my friends, period. I don't care what it is. I don't care who you got around. I don't care. I love everybody. I always try to show love and genuineness to everybody, y'all. That's one thing y'all gotta know about me. Like, there will never be no fake energy, no fake nothing about me. If not, I'm not gonna be there. If I had any fake anything, I'm not finna fake it. I ain't finna cap. I'm not gonna be there. You ain't gonna see me, because baby, if I don't like you, you're gonna know I don't like you. And that's just that on that. But anyway, I just had to throw that out there. So we about to step out, y'all. The thing about it is, today is Sunday and there are no liquor stores open. Y'all know I be keeping my lips moisturized. I gotta bring my Vaseline. I'm about to head out. Let's go ahead and head out. There are no liquor stores open today, you guys. Oh my God, I turned my hair off. Oh, excuse me, child. One thing about Houston, y'all, that is so inconvenient is the fact that, like, they don't have liquor on Sundays. You know, in Florida and Atlanta, like, we be so turned. They have liquor. They don't have liquor here. About to head out. Whatever case may be. Ooh, I look so good. I look so good. I'm just loving this black girl energy. Ooh, it's dark. I feel like my booty hanging out too much. And I don't like that. Since there isn't any liquor on Sundays, you guys, we're actually about to go to what's the name of that place? We're about to go to Fat Tuesdays and get some daiquiris, and we're gonna get some shots so that way we can still get a little something. Oosh. Oh, it's probably gone now because it's hot.
That's mine. That's mine.
It says parfum on it. This is mine.
Yes, man. We getting ready. Trying to get ready for the Memorial Blonde Trump.
No, stop hiding in cars. That's so crazy.
Check her bag.
I'm taking a shot.
We have fun. No, two of them hoes were red.
Which one should we do? Which category? What's the category? What? I don't want to go.
I'll go in.
Okay. Which one?
We got girl talk, guy talk, TV shows. What y'all want to do, ladies?
Girl talk. Do girl talk.
TV shows.
It's cool.
They don't want to come.
She got the ring.
Yeah, it's so mad. The boys are cheating, y'all. They're cheating, they cheating, they cheating, they cheating. They cheating. Cheaters. This room is so freaking lit, y'all. This is the only room I can capture at the time because I don't think nobody's staying in here, but like everybody else is upstairs. Oh my god, I love the aesthetic of this room. I would just love to just make this my room. Flows pink.
Oh, you trying to show it all, huh? You showing
We
all
about to
that.
leave,
You
y'all.
can have a lady calling and shit, texting and shit.
But yeah. What's this? This is a closet. You can tell this is newly built because like it's giving a newly built smell. I love the black wall. It's still lit upstairs. Wait, what is this? It's the garage. Okay. Oh, the garage open. Wait, maybe we should let them know the garage is open. Should I close it? I ain't gonna touch that shit. I ain't gonna touch nothing. Let me let them know. I ain't finna do. I ain't nothing to do with that. But yeah, you guys. So this was a vibe. Lex is. Oh shit. Lex is going to bed. It's the end of the night. Oh shit. See. Oh, the thing ain't locking back. Okay, there we go. I should have had somebody just come and just like lock it back. But yeah. So we parked outside of the gate. Hopefully we can get. Can we get outside the gate?
Yeah, this was a lit party though. Good times, good vibes. You know, game night. I ain't gonna lie, like when you have a party on a Sunday,
This was a lit game night, I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, like when you have a party on Sunday in Houston, you never know what it's gonna be because you can't get no liquor with we pulled up with daiquiris because we didn't know what kind of vibe it was gonna be on being Sunday. It was cool. Which I'm glad we did because we didn't really drink that much. You know, let them have their shit. You know.
Text them and let them know no cops outside,
already
but
did.
still keep it down.
Yeah, I already told them.
What you say?
No cops. I'm not gonna.
But that don't mean they can't. They still need to keep it down.
They grown. I'm not gonna tell them what to do. I'm just letting them know the cops are gone.
That's why I'm on that
If
party.
they want to be loud, be loud. You know? It's your party. All I know is the cops are gone.
I don't know if the birthday girl gonna sleep, so.
Yeah. Sure. Learn my lesson about that.
Oh, damn.
You know.
Wanna be my girl, she like them folks, and I said no. I ain't even rapping Jason, I'm really good, Bitches they like they scared to die. You don't bought me better than I been slam.
Sit with us. Let me hear you say